Weight loss typically occurs first in the areas with the most excess fat, such as the abdomen, hips, and thighs. However, the specific pattern of weight loss can vary depending on factors such as genetics, hormone levels, and overall health. Research shows that regional fat loss depends on your sex, not your workout routine. In women, the first place the fat is stored tends to be the last place the fat comes off, unlike men. Women store fat in their lower bodies. This includes the upper thighs, hips and butt, and also on the back of their upper arms. However, after the menopause, this changes when estrogen levels decrease and women start to accumulate more fat in the abdomen, like men. Men tend to store fat around their waist and thus struggle with abdominal fat, which includes their lower abs, lower back, the sides of their waist, and visceral fat, harmful fat. So what are some good exercises that are focused on the abdomen, hips, and thighs? Planks. Planks are a great exercise for targeting the abdominal muscles, as well as the hips and lower back. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart, and hold your body in a straight line for 30 to 60 seconds. Crunches. Crunches are a classic exercise for targeting the abdominal muscles. To perform a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Slowly lift your shoulders off the ground, and then lower them back down. Squats. Squats are a great exercise for targeting the thighs, hips, and buttocks. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands at your sides. Slowly lower your body as if you were sitting back into a chair, and then push back up to the starting position. Lunges. Lunges are a great exercise for targeting the thighs, hips, and buttocks. To perform a lunge, step forward with one foot, and then lower your body until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Push back up to the starting position, and then repeat with the other leg. Leg press. The leg press is a machine-based exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. You can perform the leg press by sitting in the machine and pushing the weight away from your body. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a compound exercise that targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. To perform a deadlift, stand with your feet hip width apart and your hands gripping the barbell. Slowly bend your hips and knees and lower your body, keeping your back straight. Push back up to the starting position. Russian twist. This exercise targets the obliques and the rectus abdominis. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet on or off the floor. Lean back slightly, and then twist your torso to the right and touch the floor with your right hand. Twist to the left and touch the floor with your left hand. Fire hydrant. This exercise targets the glutes, hips, and thighs. To perform this exercise, get on your hands and knees, and then lift your right leg out to the side, keeping your knee bent. Lower your leg back down, and then repeat with the left leg. So, today is the day. Give it a shot. I hope you are enjoying my content. If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe.